Let us solve JE advanced type problem. Here, a small block of mass M and a concave mirror of radius of curvature are fitted with a stand lie on a smooth table with a separation D between them. The mirror together with its stand as a mass M. The block is pushed at t equal to 0 towards the mirror so that it starts moving towards the mirror at a constant speed V and collides with it. The collision is perfectly elastic. Find the velocity of the image when time is less than d by v and when time is greater than d by v, where d is the distance between the mirror and block. V is the velocity with which block is pushed. Now we assume this is the concave mirror. This is the concave mirror we assume. Now this is the concave mirror like that is there. Now we assume this is the principal axis. Here one block is there. For this block we are giving velocity v. At the instant when we are giving velocity, this block is at d distance is there. After some time t second, it may be moved this much distance. This distance we take as a x. This x is known as v into t. This x is known as v into t. Now distance of the object from the pole, how much means this is the distance of the object from the pole we are getting. So u is equal to how much we are getting means d minus v into t. D minus v into t we are getting. This is the distance of the object we are getting. Actually, we need to find velocity of the image when time is less than d by v. So now first we are getting when time is less than d by v. In this case, velocity of the image we have to get. For that velocity of the image to find what is the formula means 1 by focal length is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is the mirror formula. By differentiating this one, we will get velocity of the image is equal to v square by u square into velocity of the object. We are getting here one minus sign we will get. By differentiating this equation with respect to time, we will get this equation. So here, see here, u we know, u value d minus v by vt we know. We have to find v. After finding v, substituting here velocity of the image we can get. See here, for finding velocity of the image, we have to find position of the image. So to find position of the image, we are using 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. F is equal to r by 2, we know that already. You know that r is equal to 2f, we know. From this, f is equal to r by 2, we know. So 1 by f place we are substituting 2 by r, that is equal to 1 by v. That u we are substituting as 1 by d minus v into t we are substituting. So this is the velocity, this is the position, image position v. Now we are getting image position v. 1 by v is equal to this one we are bringing left side. So 2 by r minus 1 by d minus vt we are getting. Now taking LCM we are getting, see here, here r into d minus vt. Here we are getting 2 into d minus vt minus r we are getting here. This 1 by v we are getting here. See here now v is equal to we are getting as r into d minus vt divided by this one we are getting 2 into d minus vt minus r. This is the we are getting as a v. Now we need to find velocity of the image. To find velocity of the image, this formula we are taking. This formula we are taking. Now see here, velocity of the image is equal to minus v square, means this value we have to substitute. Minus v square is r square into d square minus vt whole square divided by 2 into d minus vt minus r the whole square we are getting, and divide by u square we have to keep. Divide by u square means u is how much means d minus vt. So d minus vt whole square we are getting here. Here since d minus vt whole square, so that here we will not get this square. This square we will not get here. So there and there d minus vt only will be there. And into this all together into this v naught. V naught is velocity of the object. Velocity of the block. Velocity of the block is v. Now we can cancel the values. This d minus vt whole square, this d minus vt whole square we can cancel. After cancelling, we are getting velocity of the image as we are getting minus r square into v divided by 2 into d minus vt minus r whole square. So this is the answer of the velocity of the image. Velocity of the image. Now first part we have completed. Now we are going to discuss second part. Second part, what is that means? After collision, that means here this is the mirror, this is the mirror. After collision, perfectly elastic collision, this block M, and this mirror is mirror mass is M, and this block mass is M. Since perfect elastic collision and equal mass is there, so that after collision what happens means velocity exchange will take place. That means that means this concave mirror will move with velocity v, and this block will be rest, like that will be there. In this case, when block, that means the second case we are discussing, second case is t is greater than d by v. T is greater than d by v means after collision we are taking, after collision both masses are equal, so that after collision velocity exchange takes place, so that mirror moves in this direction with velocity v, object is at rest, like that is there. So in this case we are taking, this is the object, here image will be there, no image velocity we need to find. Already we know that velocity of the image in the with respect to mirror is equal to minus v square by u square into velocity of the object with respect to mirror. Actually in the previous case we discussed here, directly we wrote velocity of image minus v square by u square velocity of object, because mirror was rest. Everything we have to calculate with respect to mirror only. In first case mirror rest, so that directly we wrote formula. Now in the second case mirror is moving, so that velocity of the image with respect to mirror equal to minus v square by u square into velocity of the object with respect to mirror. V is the image position, u is the object position, like that we are getting. Now see here, in this case u how much will be there means at certain time d minus vt will be there. U is equal to d equal to v minus t will be there. By substituting this value, already we got v value how much means, in previous case we got v value is r into d minus v by vt divided by d2 into d minus vt minus r. That value we have to substitute. That means v is equal to r into d minus vt divided by 2 into d minus vt minus r. This is the v value when u is d minus vt, because here object is this mirror this mirror is moving, so that this distance we are getting d minus vt. Actually here vt is greater than d, so that we have to take u as a vt minus d. Vt minus d we have to take, so that u is equal to, because t is greater than d by v we taken, so t is greater than d by v, so that what is the answer here, u is equal to vt minus d will come. So here also vt minus d we have to take. So in this place also we have to take as a vt minus d we have to take, vt minus d. So this is the this is actually image position. This v is the velocity of the mirror, like that comes. Now see here, velocity of the image with respect to mirror is velocity of image minus velocity of the mirror is equal to minus v square divided by u square into velocity of the object minus velocity of the mirror we have to take. Here velocity of the object is 0, because after collision object is rest, velocity exchange takes place. No, so mirror moves with velocity v and object becomes rested because of perfectly elastic collision. Now we have to find velocity of the image. So velocity of the image we are keeping like this. This velocity of mirror we are taking as a v minus this v value we are substituting this value. This value we are substituting. By substituting this we are getting, see here, v value we are substituting r into vt minus d divided by 2 into vt minus d minus r and whole divided by u. U is how much means vt minus d we are getting. We are getting this whole square, v square by u square is there. Is there, and v naught is 0. This minus vm is there, so minus vm is minus v directly is there. Vm is velocity of the mirror. Now we can cancel this vt minus d we can cancel, so that now we are getting here answer as this v if it goes that side plus v, it will become plus v. So vi is equal to, we are getting, it will become plus v, and this minus into minus plus, so plus into this r, this v is there, r square v is there, divided by 2 into vt minus d minus r, this whole square is there. Now we can take common, v taken as a common, so velocity of the image is equal to v into 1 plus r square divided by 2 into vt minus d minus r the whole square. So this is the answer for velocity of the image.